Sending money to Nepal has never been easier with Worldremit. Supporting your loved ones across borders is simple, safe, and fast. Using Worldremit, you can send money directly to Esewa accounts in Nepal quickly and safely. Start by opening the Worldremit app or visiting their website and select Send Money. Choose Nepal as your destination. Next, pick mobile money as your delivery method. Euro, indicating you're sending money to an Esewa mobile wallet. This ensures your money is immediately available. You will need to enter the recipient's details, their Esewa registered mobile number, and their full name. Carefully input the amount of USD you wish to send. Double-check these details. Accuracy is key. Before you complete the transaction, verify the details. You'll see the fees, exchange rate, and the total amount your recipient will receive in Nepalese rupees. Ensure the exchange rate is favorable. Finally, choose your payment method, complete the transaction, and you'll receive instant confirmation, including a transaction reference number. Remember to keep this transaction ID. You're done. You've swiftly and securely sent funds to Esewa via Worldremit.